Oh, welcome back to the channel. So today I have this Samsung Galaxy 5 flip phone which can flip, where the as usual the display is defective, have become defective. So I took it out because the Samsung denied the request to change the screen or the display. So now I am forced to change it myself. So I took out it was very easy to use the old knife and use some alcohol spray. I use alcohol spray to reduce the glue, and then it worked. I was not so much successful in removing the back plate. Yeah, so it become broken, you can see here. So I had to buy all those things. So I bought the replacement back plate in lavender color naturally. So it will come here. Then bought only the touch plate because that's only what defective. And you can see that, and it come with the very nice packing. I don't know how to remove it, but maybe I would. So it is kept here, and there is the screen here, screen connector. So, and what else I ordered, it also had some problem with the microphone. So USB microphone I ordered, then also the glue gaskets, and also the glue gasket for the screen. So let's see how it works out. And in the meantime, you can like and subscribe, and also if you like, you can support with the super chat and other stuff. Thank you, and let's see. Okay, so this thing is secured by the glue pad, and I require not this one but only this connector. So I have to take out this connector, which can work, I guess. So I took out, I'm taking out this one of, so this one is not required. And I will take out all this first. Let me clean. Yeah, all the things are clean, and I may reuse the gaskets which are there. Let's see if I can use. Yeah, it is still sticky, and this thing is still sticky, but I will remove those. So what I will do is, is there anything which is down? There is nothing on the down, but still, yes, there is something. So I will take it out, the below part, which I'm taking out. And with that, the top one I will not remove, but the below one I will. Oops. So only the below one, because top one edge still good. So, and hopefully it will come out. So it came out. Then this thing will go down. Okay, then I will fold a little bit and then set it. No, this doesn't seem right. So, and hopefully this edge and here, and I make sure that this thing goes down the hole. Yeah. And I have a new screen. Now this one is the one with broken microphone. I think the microphone which is here is defective, so I will use the new one. So, and this goes here. So I have zoomed it, and okay, and let's see. This needed to be placed here, and hopefully okay, then let's screw it first. So I have put these two screws, and I think these are the speakers, so I will put these two also here, and the screws. and it needs to be pressed so that it is completely locked in and the connections are there. So the third screw, and the fourth and last screw. Okay, this one is incorrect. Hopefully this one is long enough. Yes, and where is the fourth screw? Good. Oh, okay, I made the mistake. I had to put the cables first. So let's do it again. Okay, so now these two things are now attached, and the camera module. Okay, this is not right. This thing is above. And this way. Screw number 1 and screw number 2, screw number 3, and the screw number 4. And before I do it, connect everything. Let's see it works or not. I think it is already discharged. Okay, so it is discharged, so I have to use to charge it. Let's see. And moment of truth. It seems to work. So, but I will, before I put the backlit together, I will charge it. So wait a moment. Oh, now it is charging in some fast charge mode. And 1%. So hopefully that will show everything. Wait a moment. Now it is 5%, so it should now start. Okay, it seems to work. Oh, and for this I have ordered the bridge element, but it is still not there, so I will add it afterwards. Okay, and now is the time to add the back plate. So back plate seems to be correct, but still I can use one of the plates. Let's see. Okay, it is with the thing, so I will just put it. So as good as new, only this bridge is missing, so I will add it. So that's it for the video. This is perfect. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Like and subscribe as usual. Thanks a lot. Till next video.